The Italian Bourse, Borsa Italiana S.p.A, is the country's stock market, situated in Milan. The Italian Bourse was a London Stock Exchange Group subsidiary. This changed on October 9, 2020, when the London Stock Exchange Group and Euronext, the Pan-European Stock Exchange Group, agreed to a €4.3 billion merger. The purchase of the Italian Bourse by Euronext was finalized on April 29, 2021. The Commissione Nazionale per la Società e la Borsa regulates the Borsa Italiana CONSOB. There are roughly 110 Italian companies listed on the Borsa Italiana. One benefit of the Euronext group is that they offer a wide variety of financial instruments, such as options and warrants. Individual brokers will also be favourable to allow CFD trading or margin trading. There are no restrictions for foreigners on the exchange, and access is wide, therefore standard brokers will give you access by default. The exchange listings are denominated in euros. There are listings in both the manufacturing sector and the services sector, with all major industry groups covered. Italy's economy is the third largest in the European Union, the 8th largest in terms of nominal GDP, and the 13th largest in terms of GDP, PPP. It is the world's 10th largest exporter, with $632 billion exported in 2019. Its closest trading partners are the other European Union nations, with whom it conducts around 59% of its overall commerce. In terms of market share in exports, Germany 12.5%, France 10.3%, the United States 9%, Spain 5.2%, the United Kingdom 5.2%, and Switzerland 4.6% are the top trade partners. Italy is a prominent player in manufacturing, the second largest in the EU after Germany, and exporter of a wide range of items including equipment, automobiles, medicines, furniture, food, apparel and robotics. 9 of the world's 500 largest stock market listed corporations by revenue in 2016, according to the Fortune Global 500, are located in Italy. Due to the abundance of double taxation treaties with other countries, tax effects are often modest. Nevertheless, property firms, like their European counterparts, will be subject to capital gains taxes by the Italian government, regardless of the double taxation treaty. There is a lot of information accessible on Italian public corporations. I recommend reading the Business Outlook Survey of Industrial and Service Firms section of the Banca d'Italia website, as well as the European Economic Sentiment Indicators published by the European Union, if you want to learn more about the Italian equity market. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.